Hey guys, we're live. It's 7:41, running a mini for Spencer's Optimus Prime. I got 15 spots that I'm going to copy and take over to random. Looks like top 3 win spots into main. Paste them in there, 1 through 15. Going to roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5, which we did. We got a 9. We're in good shape. Good luck. Here we go. Steve, round 1. Jimmy, 2. And 3. And 4, Jimmy's rolling. David, round 5. Gary, 6. David again on top in round 7. Eric, round 8. And our winners are Steve, and Eric. Congratulations, guys. Here's the verification for you. UBQFKF. There they are. I am done. It's 7:42. There you go. There you go. Congrats, guys. See you next time. Thanks.